Hello everyone, welcome to Slay the World, Bombas and Maja. Now we at Gajah Mada Mall for the preliminary of Miss Culture International 2026 fourth edition. Beside me, we have the representative of Malaysia dan Alisa Irwan. How are you, Gajah?
Hi.
You look so stunning.
Oh, thank you.
Alright, so maybe you can introduce a little bit about yourself.
So, hi everyone. My name is Elisa Erwan, and I am proudly representing Malaysia in Miss Culture International 2026.
Alright, so maybe you can share with us what kind of adjective that you see towards Miss Culture International 2026 fourth edition.
Right. So, what attracts me the most is the pageant's commitment to promoting the cultural diversity and the international friendship. It gives us as women to show our country to all of us.
All right, that's wonderful objective from you. All right, okay, next question. We go deeper a little bit because every single pageant they have their own advocacy. So, what kind of advocacy that you bring to our Miss Culture International 2026 edition?
Thank you for the question. My advocacy is to believe in themselves, to know that you are unique, and that's what makes you beautiful. Stop comparing yourself with others and let's talk about more important thing that's happening in worldwide. I think this is what you need to understand. Come out and speak for yourself because you are the leader of your life and you are the voice of your own. That's why I am standing here today. Thank you.
That's so fabulous from you. All right, so next question. If let's say you be a winner for Miss Culture fourth edition, and you will be the first ever Malaysia representative that win in Miss Culture International. So, what you like to contribute towards your society and also for the organization of Miss Culture International?
Oh my god. So if I win, I will promote this pageant, which is Miss Culture International, to my country and especially to my society, so that Miss Culture International will have known to the whole world, especially in Malaysia, and also in any event that I attend. I will promote Miss Culture International.
All right, that's so wonderful from you. Oh my God, Alisa, we have a lot of questions to ask you, but we want to just end this conversation with this last question. So, who you would like to say thanks to everyone that supporting you, saying you join us Sri Malaysia, Auntie represent our beloved country in the Miss Culture International.
Oh my god, that's a lot of people. I would like to say thank you now, but first of all, I would like to say thank you to my parents, Mama and Papa, who has supporting me since day one. Without both of you, I'm nothing. And also, thank you to Sri Kandi Malaysia, Madam Wawa, to photographer Abang Yusri, Media, Slay the World. Thank you for everything. Thank you to the makeup artist and to my designer who have helped me on my journey. And I really hope that you guys can pray and vote for me, that I can be a winner of Miss Culture International 2026. Thank you.
All right, that's wonderful from you, Alisa. So, I wish you best of luck and represent our beloved country, Malaysia, in the Miss Culture International 4th edition 2006. So, best of luck to you
Thank you.
and see you again. Bye bye.